Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best soldering irons available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, we've got something for everyone here. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the countdown. Coming in at number 5, we have the Meekest USB soldering iron. While USB-powered soldering irons are an innovative idea for portability, this one lands lower on our list due to limited features compared to other options. This soldering iron is powered by a USB connection, making it ideal for on-the-go repairs when paired with a power bank or laptop. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle are great for users who need precision without fatigue. However, a lack of adjustable temperature settings and the lower wattage compared to other models in this lineup limit its versatility. The design is compact, weighing just 8.5 ounces, and it includes a lithium-ion battery for portable usage. While this is convenient for quick fixes, its performance doesn't quite match up to the other contenders when it comes to heavy-duty projects. Ideal for jewelry soldering or small electronics, it's better suited for residential use rather than industrial applications. On the downside, the Meekest USB soldering iron has fewer included accessories and a somewhat short cord length, which could be restrictive for workspace flexibility. If you're looking for a lightweight, portable option for basic tasks, this could be a good fit. But for more demanding projects, you may want to consider other options on the list. At number 4, we have the Meekest Soldering Iron Premium Kit. This kit is packed with features, including adjustable temperature control ranging from 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius and a ceramic heater for quick heating. The on-off switch is a thoughtful addition for safety and energy saving, ensuring you can easily turn it off when not in use. With 6 air vents in its design, overheating is effectively prevented, extending the longevity of the soldering iron. In terms of design, the soldering iron features a high temperature-resistant, silicone protective cover and ergonomic handle for comfortable, long-term use. The kit includes a variety of soldering tips, solder wire, a desoldering pump, flux paste, and anti-static tweezers, making it a well-rounded package for electronics repair, guitar maintenance, and other DIY projects. However, the soldering paste and wire quantity could be more generous for larger projects, as some users may find themselves needing to purchase extras. While this kit is a solid mid-range option, it does fall short compared to higher-ranked products in terms of advanced features like auto sleep mode or LCD temperature display. It's a great choice for beginners and hobbyists looking for a versatile and reliable soldering iron, but professionals might find themselves wanting more functionality. At number 3 is the budget-friendly Leo Home Soldering Iron Kit, priced at just $9.98. This product is proof that affordability doesn't have to mean sacrificing features. It boasts an impressive 80-watt ceramic core, heating up in just 10 seconds to temperatures between 180 degrees Celsius and 480 degrees Celsius. The LCD digital display is a standout feature, allowing users to monitor and adjust temperature easily. Additionally, it includes automatic sleeping and temperature memory functionality, which are usually found in higher-priced models. The design features a heat-resistant handle and a lightweight build, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. While it doesn't come with a wide array of accessories, its performance for basic soldering tasks is commendable. Ideal for beginners or those on a tight budget, this soldering iron is great for home DIY projects, appliance repairs, and jewelry welding. However, it's worth noting that the build quality isn't as robust as some premium options, and the accessory set is quite limited. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable tool for light-duty projects, the Leo Home Soldering Iron is an excellent choice, but it may not hold up under heavy or frequent use. Coming in at number 2, we have the Plus Evo Soldering Iron Kit. This 21-in-1 kit is packed with accessories, making it ideal for hobbyists and DIY enthusiasts. It features a 60-watt adjustable soldering iron with temperature control ranging from 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius, ensuring versatility for various projects. Safety is a highlight here with a heat-resistant cap and grip. While the inclusion of 5 interchangeable tips ensures compatibility for different soldering tasks, the Plus-Evo kit doesn't stop at the basics. It includes bonus accessories such as tweezers, a mini wire stripper, heat shrink tubes, a desoldering pump, and even a downloadable ebook for beginners. The soldering iron heats quickly and maintains a consistent temperature, making it reliable for both electronics repair and crafting. Plus, the durable carry bag keeps everything organized and portable. While the Plus-Evo kit is an excellent value for money, it lacks advanced features like digital temperature calibration or auto sleep mode, which would be beneficial for professional use. That said, for under $20, this kit offers unbeatable versatility for casual users and beginners looking for a comprehensive starter pack. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Yihua 9263 Digital Display Soldering Iron Station Kit. This premium option combines cutting-edge features with exceptional build quality, making it the best choice for professionals and serious hobbyists. With a 60W ceramic heater, the Yihua heats up rapidly and offers a wide temperature range from 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, controlled with precision thanks to its PID temperature stabilization system. The digital display is clear and intuitive, allowing easy degrees Celsius degrees Fahrenheit conversion, calibration, and sleep mode settings. The design is compact and space-saving, with an integrated soldering iron holder and metallic protective mesh to prevent accidental contact. The kit includes 2 helping hands, 6 soldering tips, a roll of lead-free solder, tweezers, a solder sucker, and more. Everything you need for high-precision soldering tasks. Its auto sleep mode further enhances the longevity of the soldering tip and heater, while the sturdy build ensures reliability over time. While the Yihua 9263 is the most expensive option on this list, its advanced features and comprehensive accessory set make it worth the investment. Whether you're working on circuit boards, appliance repairs, or intricate jewelry welding, this soldering station is your ultimate tool for precision and efficiency. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.